Hello students and good morning. Welcome to the video class of the chapter set theory. Before entering to the class, we should do Brahmanad. Now let's do Brahmanad. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed this properties of the operation of sets. Today we are going to some problems, then after application of sets. Okay, now one question is, for any two sets, A and B, prove that P of A intersection B is equal to P of A intersection P of B is equal to P of A intersection B. Okay, this is the question. Solution: proof. To prove P of A means power set of A intersection power set of B. This is P power sets B of B is equal to P of A intersection P of A intersection B. Let's capital X, because power set is set of sets, that is collection of sets. So capital X belongs to P of A intersection of P of B. That implies X belongs to P of A and capital X belongs to P of B. If X belongs to P of A, then X is subset of A and X is subset of B. That implies X is subset of what? X is subset of A intersection B. X is subset of A intersection B. That implies capital X belongs to P of A intersection B. Reverse order is like this. Here conclusion. P of A intersection P of B subset of P of A intersection B and P of A intersection B subset of P of A intersection P of B. Therefore this is B. Therefore P of A intersection P of B is equal to P of A intersection B. Proved. Okay, now another question. P of notes P of A for any two sets, A and B, P of A union P of B subset of P of A union B, but not necessarily P of A union P of B is equal to P of A union B. एटा ही पारे, एटा सबुला. तो लेट्स, दिस इज important note. For example, let A is equal to 1 2, B is equal to 2 3. Okay, so what is P of A? P of A is equal to 5 1 2, 1, 2. P of B is equal to 5, 2, 3, 2, 3. Now P of A union B, what is A union B here? A union B, that is P of A union P of B is equal to what? 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. Now if A union B is equal to what? A union B is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. P of A union B is equal to what? 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here this is suppose 1 and this is suppose 2. From 1 and 2, what is here? 5 present, 1 present, 2 present, 3 not present. 1, 2 present, 2, 3 present, but 1, 3 not present. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, P of A union P of B, subset of P of A union B, and P of A union P of B not equal to P of A union B. Okay, not equal to P of A union B. Given that A and B are any two sets, if for some set X, A intersection C is equal to B intersection C is equal to 5, and A union X is equal to B union X, then prove that A intersection A is equal to B. This is the question. Okay, this is the question. Now given solution, given A intersection X is equal to B intersection X is equal to 5. Suppose this is 1, 5, this is equation 1, and A union X is equal to B union X, suppose equation 2. We have to prove A is equal to B. From 2, that is what? A union X is equal to B union X. From 2, A union X is equal to B union X, taking both sides A intersection. Okay, from 2 taking both sides A intersection. So A intersection A union X is equal to A intersection B union X. So what is here? That is A intersection A union A intersection X. A intersection X is equal to what? A intersection B union A intersection X. So here what? A intersection A is equal to what? This is A intersection B, means A union A intersection X. A intersection X means what? Phi union phi is equal to what? A intersection B. So A intersection B and A intersection B is equal to what? This is what? This is A intersection B and this is also union A intersection X, means what? Phi. So A is equal to what? A is equal to A intersection B. A is equal to what? A intersection B. Clear? If we know, if A intersection equal to A, then A subset B. From previous knowledge, that implies what? A subset of B. Because suppose example, A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 1, 2, 3. Here A subset B होच ना नहीं, but A intersection B टा कितना होच? A intersection B is equal to what? 1, 2 होच. If A intersection B is subset is equal to A, if A equal to A intersection B, then A subset B. This is our previous knowledge. Again from 2, what? A union X is equal to B union X, taking both sides what? Intersection B. B intersection A union X is equal to B intersection B union X. So this is A intersection B or B intersection A, same thing, union B intersection X, and this is B intersection B union B intersection X. We know B intersection X is equal to what? Phi. A intersection B intersection is equal to phi here. So this is equal to what? A intersection B union phi is equal, B intersection B means B union phi. So this is equal to what? A intersection B is equal to B. That is equation 1, and the suppose equation, this is equation 1, 2. And this is suppose I or I. Here that implies B is subset of A. This is double I suppose. From I and double I what? A subset B and B subset A, that implies A is equal to B. A is equal to B. Now application of sets, that is elements, concept relating the elements of the sets. Some application of sets, some application of sets. Theorem. Let for any two sets A and B, cardinality number of, this is cardinality number of A union B is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. Proof. This can be proved easily using Venn diagram. Proof. Suppose this is universal set. And this is set A. This is set A and this is set B. This is A and this is B. This is what? A intersection, common is A intersection B. Let cardinality of A is equal to M, cardinality of B is equal to N, okay, and cardinality of A intersection B is equal to suppose R. From Venn diagram, we can write what? A union B mode is equal to what? That is, this is M and this is what? This is N and this is what? R. So from Venn diagram we can write M, this is what? M plus R. M plus R, total is M plus what? This region is what? This is total is M. So this region is only what? M minus R. Total is N and this region is what? Only this region is equal to N minus R. So we can write here, that is m minus r, this region plus this region plus r. Watch carefully. This is what? M minus r plus n minus r plus n minus r. So r plus r minus r goes cancel. That implies A union B mode is equal to m plus n minus r. What is that? Is A union B mode is equal to m means what? A mode, n means what? B mode, r means what? That is cardinality of A intersection B. This is proved. Now for any three sets, theorem is theorem 2. Theorem 2 for any three sets A, B and C, cardinality of A union B union C is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B plus cardinality of C minus cardinality of A intersection B minus cardinality of B intersection C minus cardinality of A intersection C plus cardinality of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Proof. Left hand side, cardinality of A union B union C. Okay, so this is B union C. Let B union C is equal to, suppose, another set. Suppose this is single set, this is a set and this is another set. So what is, suppose this is A and this is B. What is cardinality of A union B? That is cardinality of A plus cardinality of B means what? B union C minus cardinality of A intersection B. A intersection B means what? B union C. Now expand this cardinality of A and expand this cardinality of B plus cardinality of C minus cardinality of B intersection C. Again by distributive law, this is A intersection B union, this is A intersection C. Again expand this. So what happens here? What? A, cardinality B, cardinality C minus cardinality B intersection C at minus this is what? This is suppose A and this is suppose B. So what happens here? A intersection B cardinality plus A intersection C cardinality minus cardinality of A intersection B intersection A intersection C. If A intersection A anytime, that is A. So here this is cardinality of A plus cardinality of B plus cardinality of C minus cardinality of B intersection C, and this is minus cardinality of A intersection B and minus cardinality of A intersection C minus plus A intersection A means A. If repetition in intersection, like what is here? That is, the concept is what? The concept is, suppose A intersection anytime is equal to what? A. Okay, so here A intersection a double repeated, so it's right single time A intersection B intersection C. Now arrange according to the right side. A cardinality of A, cardinality of B, cardinality of C minus cardinality of A intersection B minus cardinality of B intersection C minus cardinality of A intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. This is proved. This is proved. Now, what is cardinality of A delta B? What is cardinality of A delta B? Cardinality of A delta, theorem 2. Theorem 3. For any two sets A and B, cardinality of A delta B is equal to cardinality A plus cardinality B minus 2 into cardinality of A intersection B. Proof A delta B cardinality is equal to what? We can write A delta B is equal to A union B. Okay, what is A delta B? That is, we know A delta B is equal to A delta B, that is A union B minus what? A intersection B. This is set A and this is set B. This is A and this is B. A delta B means this is the region for A delta B. So A delta B is equal to what? A union B minus what? A intersection B. So from this Venn diagram, this is what? Now this is A cardinality A, cardinality B minus cardinality A intersection B minus cardinality A intersection B. So this is cardinality A plus cardinality B minus 2 into cardinality of A intersection B. This is the solution. Now, what is the maximum and minimum value of cardinality of A union B? Maximum value and minimum value of maximum value and minimum value of maximum value and minimum value, maximum value and minimum value of cardinality of A union B. Maximum value and minimum value of cardinality of A union B. Let cardinality of A is equal to M, cardinality of B is equal to N. Okay, cardinality of B is equal to N. Then maximum value of cardinality of A union B is equal to M plus N. Minimum value of A union B is equal to maximum of M comma N. Reason is, what is maximum value? Cardinality of A union B is equal to cardinality A plus cardinality B minus cardinality A intersection B. Here A union is maximum. Here A union B is maximum if cardinality of A intersection B is minimum. So minimum value of A intersection B is what? Minimum of A intersection B is 0. Therefore, maximum of A union B cardinality is equal to cardinality A plus cardinality B. Now, this is maximum, reason 1. Reason 2, A cardinality of A union B is equal to cardinality A plus cardinality B minus cardinality of A intersection B. Here A union B cardinality is minimum if Cardinality of A intersection B is maximum. Okay. So A intersection B is maximum, that is common elements, number of common elements, that is A intersection B, maximum of A intersection B is equal to maximum number of common elements. Maximum number of common elements. Maximum number of common elements. So what is maximum number of common elements? So maximum of common number is elements is equal to, that is maximum of what? Maximum of m comma n. Maximum of m comma n. One example, suppose if cardinality of A is equal to if cardinality of A is equal to m, cardinality B of A equal to n, then what is maximums? Example, if cardinality of A is equal to 5, cardinality B of equal to 7, then what is maximum of number of common elements? Maximum of A intersection B is equal to 5. So minimum of A union B cardinality is equal to A cardinality plus B cardinality minus A intersection B. So A cardinality, that is 5 plus what? 7 minus what? 5. So 5 cancel, this is equal to 7 is the minimum. Here 7 is minimum. So this is maximum of, that is 7 is what? Maximum of 5 comma 7. So 7. This is the reason. Okay. One question. What is the maximum of A union B? Cardinality of A union B. What is the maximum of cardinality of A union B? Question. What is the maximum and minimum of cardinality of A union B if cardinality of A is equal to 8, cardinality of B is equal to 3. So answer, maximum of cardinality of A union B is equal to cardinality A plus cardinality B, that is equal to 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Number 2, minimum of cardinality of A union B is equal to maximum of 8 comma 3, that is equal to what? 8. This is answer. Now some applications regarding passage type of question. Some applications related to passage type question for any two sets. Case 1, for any two sets A and B. Number 1, number of elements belong to either A or B, or we can say, or number of elements belong to at least one of the sets, A and B. This symbol is cardinality of A union B. Cardinality of A union B. Okay. Now number 2. Number of elements belong to both A and B, or number of elements belong to exactly two sets A and B. This is equal to cardinality of A intersection B. Cardinality of A intersection B. Third one is number of elements. This is what? This is Venn diagram. For first case, this is Venn diagram. This is A and this is B. This is either A or B. That is this. And this is for Venn diagram is what? This is A and this is A and this is B. Both A and B. This is both. Now third one is what? Now third one is number of elements belong to exactly one of two sets A and B. Exactly one of two sets A and B. What is Venn diagram? This is Venn diagram. Exactly one. This is universal set. This is set A and this is set B. Exactly one means what? Maybe this region, maybe this region, or maybe this region. So what is here? This region is what? A minus B, or we can say A minus A intersection B, and this region is B minus A, or B minus B intersection A, or A intersection B. Now combine this or this. This is suppose X and this is suppose Y. That is X plus Y. Here X is equal to this. Here X is equal to this. Okay. So what happens here? Suppose this region is X and this region is Y. This region is X and this region is Y. So this region is X is equal to cardinality of A minus cardinality of A intersection B. And for this region is Y is equal to cardinality of B minus cardinality of what? A intersection B. So this is equal to what? This is X plus Y, means X or Y means what? X plus Y, or means plus. So X means what? Cardinality of A minus cardinality of B plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. So this is equal to what? Cardinality A plus cardinality B minus 2 into cardinality of A intersection B, or we can say that is A delta B, cardinality of A delta B. Number of elements belong to exactly one of the two sets A and B. Number of elements belong to only set A. 4 number is number of elements belong to only set A. Only set A. The Venn diagram is here. This is universal set and this is set A and this is set B. Only A means this. This is only A. So only A means cardinality of A minus cardinality of A intersection B. So this is equal to what? Cardinality of A minus cardinality of A intersection B. Number of elements belong to only set B. Only set B. is equal to cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. So this is Venn diagram. Only B means what? This is A and this is B. Only B means this region. This region is only B. Only B. So this region is equal to what? That is B cardinality minus A intersection B cardinality. Clear? Now for 3 sets, case 2 for any 3 sets. For any 3 sets, case 2 for any 3 sets, any 3 sets A, comma B and C. Number 1, number of elements belong to at least one of A, B and C, or number of elements belong to either A or B or C is equal to what? This is equal to cardinality of A union B union C. This Venn diagram is this is set A and this is set B, this is A and this is B and this is set C. So at least one, maybe this or this or this, or means plus. So A union B union C, this is. Now number of elements belong to exactly 3 sets. Number of elements belong to exactly 3 sets, or number of elements belong to A and B and C is equal to cardinality of A intersection B intersection C. The Venn diagram is this is A, this is B and this is C. This is common region for 3 sets, all 3 sets. Now number of elements belong to only A, only B, only C. Number of elements, third one is number of elements belong to only set A. Number of elements belong to only set A. This is Venn diagram. This is set A and this is set B and this is set C, suppose. Only A means what? This portion is only A. This portion is only A. Now this portion can be written as, this is what? Total set A minus this region. This is A intersection B minus this region minus B intersection C. Okay, minus, so this region is equal to total A set minus this region minus this region. This portion is subtracted twice. This region is subtracted twice. So this region is what? This region is equal to total set A minus this region, means what? A intersection B minus this region, that is A intersection C here. A intersection C here. So this portion is subtracted twice. So add A intersection B intersection C, because this person is subtracted twice, so but you are required subtracted once. So this is equal to what? This is equal to cardinality of A minus, this is answer, cardinality of. Now similarly, number of elements belong to only set B. Number of elements belong to only set B. This is only set A, this is only A, and this is only B. This region is only B. This region is only B. Only B. So only B is equal to what? Same concept here, that is equal to B mode minus what? A intersection B, minus A intersection B, and this is what? Minus B intersection C. This region is also again subtracted twice, so adds द्विथर माइनस गोटे थर प्लस करवा दरकार. नाउ नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स बिलोंग टू ओनली सी. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स बिलोंग टू ओनली सी. दिस इज इक्वल टू only C. This is region is only C. This region is only C. This is only C. So this can be written as what? C mod minus A intersection C minus A intersection C. This region minus B intersection C. This portion is subtracted twice, so add once. A intersection B intersection C. This is number of elements belong to only A, only B, only C. Now number of elements belong to one of the set A, B, C. One of the set A, B, C. Number of elements belong to number of elements belong to number of elements belong to exactly one of A, B, C. This is here from the Venn diagram. This is X and this is Y and this is suppose Z. From Venn diagram X or Y is or Z. X plus Y plus Z. What is X? X means here, this is X means what? A mod minus A intersection B minus A intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. This is X plus Y. Y means B mod minus A intersection B minus B intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C plus Z means C mod minus what? A intersection C. This is C mod minus A intersection C minus B intersection C minus B intersection C. This region is equal to this region minus this and this. So repeated twice here. So plus what? A intersection B intersection C. Now calculating this and arranging this. This is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B plus cardinality of C minus 2 into cardinality of A intersection B minus cardinality of B intersection C minus cardinality of 2 into A intersection C plus 3 into cardinality of A intersection B intersection C. This is number of elements which belong to exactly one of the set. This is the number of elements belong to exactly one of the set A, B and C. Now, number of elements belong to exactly two of the sets. Number of elements belong to exactly two of sets, exactly two sets out of A, B, C. Now the Venn diagram is this is universal set and this is A and this is B, this is A, this is B and this is C. This is C. Now, what is exactly 2? This region, suppose this region is X, okay, this region exactly 2, or this region Y, or this region Z. Suppose this region is what? This region and this region. So, X plus Y plus Z exactly 2 means what? From Venn diagram this is equal to X plus Y plus Z. What is X here? A intersection B minus A intersection B. What is X? This region here X is equal to what? Here X is equal to A intersection B minus A intersection B intersection C, and Y is equal to here B intersection C minus A intersection B intersection C, and Z is equal to what? A intersection C minus A intersection B intersection C. So, X plus Y plus Z means what? X plus Y plus Z means what? Means A intersection B plus B intersection C plus A intersection C minus 3 into A intersection B intersection C. This is number of elements belong to exactly two of the sets. Now, number of elements belong to at least two of the sets. Number of elements belong to at least two of the set. Number of elements belong to at least two of sets A, B and C. The Venn diagram is like this. At least 2 means 2 and 3. At least 2 means what? In this case 2 and 3. So this region, this is A and this is B and this is C. On this region and this is suppose P. Here at least 2 means 2, this 2 case, this for 2 case, this for 2 case, and this is for 3 case. So from the Venn diagram this is what? X is equal to here X is equal to A intersection B minus A intersection B intersection C, and Y is equal to here B intersection C minus A intersection B intersection C. Z is equal to here Z is equal to what? Z is equal to A intersection C minus A intersection B intersection C, and P is equal to what? A intersection B intersection C. This is P. Now from the Venn diagram, exactly at least 2 means what? That is x plus y plus z plus p. So x means what? That is x is equal to a intersection b minus a intersection b intersection c, x plus y means what? B intersection c minus what? A intersection b intersection c. Z means what? A intersection c minus a intersection b intersection c, plus p means what? A intersection b intersection c. Now this is number of elements belong to at least 2 of the set is equal to what? A intersection b plus b intersection c plus a intersection c minus 2 into a intersection b intersection c. This is the number of elements belong to this. Okay, this is the answer. Number of elements belong to at least 2 of the sets. At most 2 of the set means what? 1 or 2 or not. At most 2 of the set, either 1 or 2. This portion, at most 2. Number of elements belong to at most 2 means this region and this region at most 2. This region at most 2 means what? Only one set and this set. This is the at most 2. Okay, these are some conditions and theorems regarding the how to solve the passage type of question. In next video, we will discuss the application of this type of concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.